Hi guys, Cynthia here, and welcome to my Bizggro review. This is a business management software, which is amazing. You're not gonna have to keep paying all those expensive different software that you use for accounting and for your HR management and your sales management. None of that. With this all-in-one tool, you will be able to manage like your whole business inside this software. It's really great. It's all you need. It's all you need for your business. It's an all-in-one inclusive software, and you're not gonna have to use any of your other small software to manage your business. I guarantee you that. Um, yeah, so if you think that this can help in your business, if you want to get this for your business and streamline your whole business and make everything more straightforward and more easy to manage, this is the software for you. It's called Bizggro. Yeah, guys. So if you want this for your business, and you want to get it from me today, I have some bonuses for you guys. I have like 15 bonuses. I went all out in this one. So yeah, I have bonus number one, outsourcing for your business. Bonus number two is small business branding made easy. Bonus number three, taking your business social. Bonus number four, local business traffic blueprint. Bonus number five, business booster pack. Bonus number six, internet business starter kit pack. Bonus number seven, kickstart your internet business. Bonus number 8, 12-point checklist for building an online business. Bonus number 9, 20 online business ideas. Bonus number 10, the online home business playbook volume 1. Bonus number 11, big business blueprint. Bonus number 12, online business tools for marketers. Bonus number 13, how to develop relentless in your business and your life. This is an audio pack. Bonus number 14, true productivity in business and life, so you can be more productive. And bonus number 15 is super stock videos, so you have a bunch of royal free stock videos that you can use. So all these 15 bonuses, uh, you will get them from me if you buy Bizggro from me today. The link down below, you will go to my review page, and here I have only 50 spots for you guys. So if you get it before the bonuses expire, before the timer hits 0, you can get my bonuses. Click the orange button, you will get to the sales page, and here you can grab your copy and change your business forever, guys. It's really good. And so yeah, check it out, link below. You have all the details you would ever need. So yeah, let's see what the sales page says. It says replace more than 13 expensive monthly apps essential to run your business and save over $500 per month with your all-in-one business solution, relationship solution for just one small one-time fee. That is the good news, guys. It's only a one-time fee, and you can use this like forever. You can use this forever for your business. So yeah, you have all of this is what includes completely customer relationship management system, financial and bookkeeping system, document signing, document storage and sharing, the task management system, team management and communication system, inventory, newsletter creator, campaigns, events, HR management, and many more. Like, he has a bunch of things. In the link down below, you can read all about it on the sales page. Yeah, they tell you all that is included and all the tools and what everything does. So yeah, guys, this is all you need. So if you can check it on your own time, the sales page down below. Yeah, but right now I'm gonna leave you with the product creator who's going to walk you through all the features that Bizggro does and includes. So yeah, guys, see you at the end of the video where I'm going to talk to you about the app stores if you're interested in those. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's check it out.
Hello guys, thank you for signing up to use Bizggro, the affordable, all-in-one business and productivity app that helps you grow your business with confidence. We'll get started right away, so first of all, I want you to enter the web address app.bizggro.com into your browser. I believe you have already created an account and registered your company, so you should enter your email address and password and then log in. If this is your first time, simply click Register Your Company at the top right-hand corner of your screen and follow the instructions. Once you've logged in, you will see your main dashboard showing your task status, campaigns, productivity charts, and events. As you can see, I have 2 events on my Event tab. Your main dashboard gives you a real-time snapshot of your productivity, tasks, and ongoing business. It's simple to take action from here. Either create an event, a shared document, a task, a campaign, a lead entry, a document to sign, a newsletter, or other opportunity. Or, click through to visit a specific dashboard. We will go through each of the features on your main dashboard, so stick around. With Bizggro, communication and collaboration has never been easier. Whether you're collaborating internally with team members or communicating externally with customers, we've got you covered. You can create projects, tasks, newsletters, events, and shareable documents. Our built-in intuitive organization and folders make all of your projects and your communications simple to manage. We will start with the Tasks tab. You can create a project or task for all users to see, so everyone has an idea of where the entire team is moving towards and can access checks for each other. The Task tab has 2 menu items, Tasks and Task Reports. Let's begin with the Tasks menu first. Under this, you can see 3 tabs reading Assigned to Me, Assigned by Me, and I'm in charge. The Assigned to Me tab shows you the tasks assigned to you by a particular user, their status, assigned date, due date, and priority dates. Here on my screen, I have tasks for research and development, advanced services, academic programs, and so on and so forth. I can create a new task and then assign to any user by filling out the form fields. If I need to edit a task, I simply tap the Details button and view the full information about whatever task or project I'm interested in, and then edit it. I can also filter out and sort my projects by modules, status, priority, project, or date. Moving on to the Assign by Me tab, this shows all the tasks and projects I assigned to different users on our Bizggro account. For example, I have assigned tasks across advancement services, accounting, Blue Page implementation, and a few others. Finally, the last tab, I'm in charge summarizes who's leading each task or project and filters by that. The second menu on the Tasks tab was the Tasks Report menu that shows Tasks Report and Activity Report. The Task Report is a summation and status update of every project the team is currently working on. It includes their start and end dates, priority and task supervisor, as well as time spent on each task. You can export your task report to a CSV file to view and review at your own convenience. This is great for seeing how productive everyone on your team is. The activity report, on the other hand, is a summation of the activities your team is working on, as well as what user is currently working on, what activity. This information can also be exported to a CSV file for viewing at a later date. Another great component of Bizggro is the Mailbox feature, so let's check that out. It's the last item on our main tab, and it has 2 items under its drop-down menu, Accounts and Big Box. With the Accounts menu, you can add email addresses for everyone in your organization, just like I have here. That way, everyone is connected to each other. You can send internal mails, chat, and communicate over different team collaborations. As an administrator, I can add and remove email accounts from the organization's platform and edit their configurations. Now that's a list of everyone connected with this particular Bizggro account, so I can pick one of them and start a private communication with them. An important feature of Bizggro that your company will need is its customer relationship management applications. To access that, simply click the CRM tab at the top right corner of your screen, With the CRM suite, you can manage your database of contacts, leads, opportunities, and customers at once. We'll start with the Contacts drop-down menu, so click on that. This shows you everyone that you have added to your database together with their call-up information. As you can see, I have 58 contacts in my own database. I have also listed 9 people as leads, 30 people as opportunities, and 3 people as customers. As an aside, Bizggro is a GDPR compliant, so we carefully keep and maintain the privacy and security of everyone you add to any of your databases. Now back to your Contacts tab. You can group your contacts by categories as well. The listing is arbitrary and up to you, so you get to decide what to group them under. I'm going to open up the details for one of my contacts now, so you can see all the containing information. How much of that information you choose to fill for your clients is really up to you. You could also succeed to upgrade your contact to a lead, opportunity, or customer depending on how the relationship advances, so you don't have to start inputting new information all over again under those tabs. My Customers tab shows everyone on my contacts that I have classified as a customer. Now this categorization is pretty important because not all information is meant for everyone on your contacts database. You're going to be communicating differently with leads and opportunities than you will be going with customers. However, no matter who you're sending those emails to, you can do it right from the Bizggro dashboard without having to use multiple apps or websites. Creating a new category is also just as simple as any of the previous tasks. Click on the Create New button, enter your category name, and you're good to go. Under the Leads tab, you can manage all of your leads on one page. Group them by their sources, status, or date. For example, I can bring up my leads and filter them by sources to see where most of my leads come from, so I have an idea of which my marketing campaigns is most productive. Tapping the Opportunities tab will give you a glimpse of everyone on the database, and you can sort them by stage, type, and order date. To add a new contact to your Opportunities database, simply click on the Create New button, fill in the details of your new contact, as well as the filter fields. If you need to create a new category or stage, you can do so by clicking the plus button. You may also want to add a few notes in the description information box. Once you're satisfied with your entry, simply click Create. Nevertheless, you can always visit your database to modify your entries as the situation arises. This you do by clicking on the Details button and then tapping Edit. Like I mentioned earlier, you can also filter your Opportunities database by types, stages, proposals, and proposal status. Let's back up to our Customers tab and see how we can view all the details we have for each customer. Click on Details and go over various tabs you have to see details about each of your customers, such as their campaigns, email history, products of reference, transaction history, and many other details. It's helpful to keep adding on new information as you find them out, as it will help you get a clearer profile of each of your customers and serve them better. You can also filter those on your customer database by types, creditworthiness, and payment terms, as you can see me doing now. The final menu item under the CRM tab is the consent form for the EU GDPR policy that allows you to request consent easily from everyone on your contact database so you don't fall foul of the required regulations. It also helps you filter your response so you see which of your contacts gave you permission or declined, and then send specific emails to them in that way. Another application area of Bizggro for your company or firm is in the area of financials and accounting. With Bizggro, invoicing, purchasing, and bookkeeping from wherever you are just got easier. From your financials dashboard, you can create professional invoices, generate POs, record transactions, run financial reports, and more. You can also keep all of your information organized for your accountant with customizable categories to make it super easy for him or her to get things done. Let's see how that works together. Tap on the Financials tab on your dashboard. You should see a number of items under the drop-down menu. We'll start with the first one tagged Dashboard. Clicking that should take your screen to a new page saying Welcome to Financials. You will see a number of tabs under this heading: Transactions, Invoices, Purchase Orders, and Credit Notes. Your transactions indicate the total amount of income that has come in, and clicking on that tab will show you all of your transactions, income, and expenses. You can decide to add a new transaction by clicking on Create New button and entering the information required. You can sort your transactions by income or expenses to get a rough estimate of what percentage of your transaction is spent on what. Next tab is the Invoices tab that shows you all of your invoices, both the issued invoices and the received invoices. Click on the issued invoices and then click on Create New to add a new invoice for your supplier. Proceed to enter the necessary details and fill out all the info required. You could decide to make your invoices one event or a recurring one. You can also preview your invoice as soon as you are done to ensure that all of the details are correct, and once you know for certain, you can go ahead and send. To write out received invoices, click on Received Invoices and follow just about the same steps as before. You can edit or delete any of your invoices by clicking on the Details button and selecting your preferred option. The same process I just described can be carried out for your purchase orders and credit notes for your customers. One of the perks of using Bizggro for your financials is that you can access comprehensive reports on all of your money matters. Simply click on the Reports tab to view your expenses, receivables, payments, and profit and loss. All this information is exportable to a CSV file that you can review later with your team and your financial advisors or accountants. The last tab in the Financials dashboard is the Management tab, and this is pretty important because it allows you to calculate and manage all of your tax payments in whatever countries you operate in. My page shows details for UK VAT, US sales tax, and EU VAT. To create a new tax profile, click on the Create New button and fill out the form fields. You can also manage your tax categories by keeping an up-to-date list of your transactions on the Manage Categories menu. Bizggro also makes document e-signing very fast, reliable, and efficient for users. Whether it's approval on a proposal, a signed contract, or any other document that needs a signature, our built-in e-signing feature makes getting an official sign-off a snap. Click on the e-signing tab, select the dashboard menu in the drop-down, and view all of your e-documents. They are sorted by action request, completed, received, and sent request. You can also view progress reports where it is indicated that more than one user has to sign off on the document. To compose a new document that needs to be signed, such as an invoice, click on the Compose New button, add your signature, upload the document to be signed, tag users that need to sign it, add receipts, decide who needs to sign it at what field, and then send it out. Bizggro also helps you manage your shareable documents with your team. To see how, click on the Manage Docs tab to see all of your documents. You can view them by sorting them into documents or folders. You can also sort out your documents by module, file type, creator, and date. Each uploaded document is securely stored on our cloud servers and gets a link that you can share with your contacts or other users. Sharing with multiple addresses is also no problem at all. To manage your document folders, click on the Folders menu and go through the overview of all. Inventory management is also another impressive feature of Bizggro. Click on the Inventory tab to view your records of all of your products and goods and sort them by products and categories. To add a new product, tap the Create New button on your right and then input the product details. It's very comprehensive, so you can pretty much add any detail that's specific to your business. When you're done, click Create. I'm not creating any products, so I'm just going to cancel the operation. Products can be further filtered by price and quantity. That way, you have a pretty great idea of what you have in stock and what needs to be resupplied. Let's move on to the next feature, and that's the Project tab. With this, everyone on your team can have an overview of what's been worked on, the status, and who's responsible. So you see right here all of the projects we're working on. We can sort them under the following tabs: Started, Finished, Planned, and Halted. Those are self-explanatory headings, so I'm sure you already know what they mean. To create a new project, hit the Create New button like before, and then you can fill in all the necessary details. Up next is the Newsletter tab. The Newsletter tab has 4 menu items that we will look at one after the other. The first is titled Newsletters, and it shows all of your newsletters at once. You can group them by letter name, status, type, and date. To create a new newsletter, simply click on the Create New button, input the necessary information in the form fields on display, and then save your information. You can also view specifics of each newsletter by clicking on the button marked Details right across from it. The status menu item shows you a classification of your newsletters by status such as sent, pending, testing, and a few others. The types menu item filters your newsletter by types such as local, regional, and international. The last menu item under the Newsletter tab is the Sent History that gives you a breakdown of your newsletter history, categorized by status, type, date, and user. The next tab we want to consider is the Events tab. This is a summation of the events, programs, and activities your organization is running at any particular time. It helps you keep your eye out on what's happening currently. The last menu item under the Newsletter tab is the Sent History that gives you a breakdown of your newsletter history, categorized by status, type, date, and user. The next tab we want to consider is the Events tab. This is a summation of the events, programs, and activities your organization is running at any particular time. It helps you keep your eye out on what's happening currently, as well as monitor preparations for the future. The Event tab has 3 menu items: Events, Status, and Type, that help you filter your entries. Speaking about entries, you can create a new entry by clicking on the Create New button, filling out the form fields with all the necessary information as always, and then clicking Create. I'm not doing that, so I'm going to go back up to the event page. Clicking on the Details button will bring up the specifics of an event I selected. In this case, the webinar at the number 1 position. The Campaign tab shows all campaigns your team is working on. My dashboard shows campaigns for business advertising and email marketing, so you can guess that's what my company focuses on. Campaigns are either open, closed, or halted, or completed in status, and can be sorted by type, code, status, revenue, start date, and customer. This filtering allows users to easily see what they need to pay attention to and get an idea of where the firm or company is going. Clicking on the details will take you to see further specific information on each campaign, such as its cost and budget. The Campaign Types tab shows what types of campaign your firm is working on. Ours include administration and accounts and application development, among many others. You can create a new campaign type by clicking on the Create New button, entering your campaign details. As you can see me scrolling over them and clicking Create. However, I'm just going to cancel that. Finally, let's go through 2 other important components of Bizggro: the HR and admin features. With the HR and admin features, you can oversee all core aspects of managing your most important assets, your team members. From general HR tasks to project and paperwork management, you have all you need to ensure your company runs smoothly. It's also easy to stay connected with your staff. Just hop on a chat when you want to touch base. The HR feature allows you to run general HR tasks for your team, as well as organize project and paperwork management, and ensure you have all you need to ensure your company runs smoothly. Now I'm going to click on the HR button. You should see it at the top left-hand corner of your screen, just beside the Admin button. Clicking it will load the HR page on your PC, as you can see from here. Under the HR tab, there are a number of buttons: Manage, Leave, Report, and Requisition Form. The Manage button has a number of items under the drop-down menu: Manage Leave Types, Manage HR Categories, and Manage HR Policies. We'll analyze the Manage Leave Type button first. One of the numerous tasks human resources managers have to do is keep track of leaves, vacations, and days off. Bizggro allows you to do this with ease. For example, now I can see how many members of staff are on leave at the moment, what kind of leave, and the duration of the leave. This information is accessible to everyone who needs it in making certain decisions critical to the smooth running of your organization. To add a new leave type, simply click on the Create New button slightly towards your right. Fill in the name of the leave type and the duration, and you're ready to go. Next stop is the Manage HR Category button. Depending on your organization, you can have as many categories as you want. Here we have categories such as recruitment, leaves, health and safety, community initiatives, employee services, performance appraisals, compensations, and a few others. You might decide on your part to create different categories for your company. All you have to do is just hit the Create New button for that. Final stop under the Manage drop-down is the Manage HR Policy button. Here, you can upload policies for different cases and situations that are applicable to your organization. For example, managing company policies in cases like recruitment, holidays, diversity, recognition and reward, and hiring of temps and so on. To add a new policy, simply tap the Create New button on the subsequent page, enter the name of the policy, select the category it belongs to, write out a short description of what it is, and then upload your document. The next tab is the Leave tab that has two buttons under its drop-down menu, Leave Application and Short Leave Application. The Leave Applications menu will help you categorize the statuses of leave applications the HR manager has received from the organization's staff. If you want to recall the specifics of each leave application, simply click on the details and you will see all that you need to. Under the Leaves Applied to Me tab, you can see a list of all the leave applications sorted by the user that received them, as well as the details of each application. Now we are going to move on to the third tab under the HR function, and that's the Report tab. This has two items under its drop-down, Daily Leave Report and Monthly Leave Report, simply allowing you to group leave applications by day or by month. Next up is the Requisition Form tab that shows which requests for new staff and manpower are made to the HR staff. Let's click on the Create New button to add a new one. With this form, managers can let HR know what kind of staff they need to hire, their minimum qualifications, and work experience, and other important hiring information. What this does is to help your HR officers manage all their duties at the touch of a button, and keep in touch with everything they need to do in one suite. Moving on to the admin features, let's see the kind of tasks you can carry out on Bizggro. First of all, please click on the tab Admin at the top left-hand corner of your screen. Select Company. This will lead you to an overview of your company profile. This is the profile for my company, Big Fat Male. The next tab shows the list of departments I have created. Next, you can view my banks, lawyers, email services, and payment methods. Now you can go back to the Users menu under the tab marked Admin at the top left-hand corner again. Clicking on the tab marked My Profile will allow me to edit the company profile. Here you see all your information linked to your account. If you ever decide to remove your company account, this is where it has to be done. The next tab marked Users shows everyone who has signed up to the Bizggro account with our company, their departments, and their user type or classification. I can edit everyone's contact info, or even add a new user altogether. I can also decide to search for a staff member's details. So now I'm entering John in the search box to see how many Johns we have on staff at our firm. Let's visit a few other pages of users. This is a great application of Bizggro as a staff database manager, allowing your organization to capture the details of everyone on staff at once. Creating a new profile for a new staff member is very easy. Simply click on the button marked Create New and enter the user details, first name, last name. Select a department from your list or add a new department to your list. I'm going to cancel that because I don't need to do it. Select a user type for your new user, and then add in other information like addresses and social media information. Now let's go back to the menu item tagged Groups. This shows you the total number of groups to which members of your database belong to. To create a new group, click on the Create New button like we did before. On the new page, enter the name of your new group, insert your search parameters, and you are good to go. Meanwhile, I'm going to cancel this because I don't need a new group. Back to the previous page, you see the tab for user types. Creating a new user type follows the same pattern as before. Click on the Create New button on the pop-up page, write out the name of your user type, click on the button tagged Add All Permissions for all modules. This gives permission for the new user type to perform tasks across the different modules such as HR, Admin, Mailbox, Newsletters, Events, Campaigns, Inventory, Projects, and other listed modules. If you want to restrict permission to a certain module, simply click on the Remove All button besides your selected module. For example, now I'm going to delete permissions for the module marked Transactions under Financials. I can also decide to add those permissions back by clicking Add All. I can do the same thing for the module marked invoices as well. You might even decide to just delete a single permission under a particular module like I'm doing right now. I just deleted the permission for issued invoice list under the invoices module. I will go ahead and delete a few more permissions such as the received invoice create, received instruction list, and receive invoice list permissions all under the invoice module as well. Again, I can decide to add all permissions all over again to restore the status. I'm going to exit this page now since I'm not interested in creating a new user type and go back to the previous menu. Bizggro is really easy to use, and once you've started, it's almost impossible to go back on it. I hope this tutorial helps you. Don't forget to contact us via www.bizggro.com/contact3/ if you have any questions or problems. Thank you.
So yeah, guys, that is what Bizggro is all about. You saw how amazing it is and how complete and how all-rounded it is. It's an all-in-one system. You're not gonna need anything else to run your business. So yeah, that is all it does, guys. It's really, really cool, really good software, and you're gonna love it if you decide to pick it up today. Yeah, from me, link down below. Right now it's launch week, so the price is $197, guys. It is a bit high, but it's $197 and it's one time only, and you will have your whole business basically made for you. You have your whole business organized and in one place, and it's just one time fee. There's nothing like that out there. It's all monthly fees and it's all different software here and there. And this is a one-time investment only of $197. It's a no-brainer, guys, and you should invest in yourself and your business. And to make your life as easy as possible, you can see all that is included with the main product, and it's a bunch of value, and it's $197. Then we have the app stores, guys. We have Bizggro Reseller. If you want to resell, if you want 5 reseller accounts, is $197. If you want 10, it's $297. If you want 20, it's $397. And with this, yeah, it's yeah, you would just you can sell this as your own. You can sell this license as your own, and you will get all the money. That's the main purpose of that app store. Then app store number 2 is Bizggro Marketing Kit. You would get personalized follow-up emails, a personalized promotion videos, personalized sales pages, ready-made personalized promotion graphic, and also telescripts. You get all of that with option number 2, which is $97. Option number 3, and the last one, is called Tabfu Ultimate. You get you can create Facebook tabs, create Facebook ads in the software. You have even integration for tab creation. You have Shopify integration for tab creation. You have famous autoresponder integration, and you have detailed analytics with this app store. And if you buy the personal use, is $39 only, and if you use the pro, if you want the pro, is $99. It's all one-time fees. There's no monthly. It's just one-time fees for all of these app stores, and also one-time fee for the main product, which is $197. It's a great investment in yourself and in your business, guys. So yeah, if you want it for yourself and you want to grab it from me today, link down below. You have all the details. As I said, you will get to my review page. Grab it before the timer runs out so you can get my bonuses. Click the orange button, you will get to the sales page, and here you can grab your copy. And in the checkout, you will have all my bonuses, which are 15 of them, as I told you before, and they are great value and they will help you maximize your business. And yeah, so yeah, guys, that is all I have for you today. As always, like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I would really appreciate it if you do that for me. And yeah, leave any comments down below if you have any questions or any doubts. Yeah, I'm here to help as always. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed the review, and see you in the next one, guys. Take care.